Jennifer, and home decorating enthusiast and creator of At Home with Zane. So welcome back, everyone. Today I am inviting each and every one of you to come along on a tour with me of this beautifully remodeled home that we're staying in for the weekend. This home has been completely remodeled in mid-century modern decor. These elements that they've used in this home, from the tile to the flooring to all of the furnishings, is absolutely exquisite. They have a modern take on the mid-century modern look. So I'm going to invite all of you to come along on a tour. This home is boasting with beautiful hardwood floors. The sitting room is furnished in this gorgeous mid-century modern furniture. Such a beautiful take on such a period mid-century modern look. This gorgeous fireplace is certainly a center point for this room. In the dining room, this mid-century modern chandelier and beautiful artwork certainly accentuate this gorgeous dining room table. The kitchen has been completely remodeled with beautiful stainless steel appliances. All of the modern fixtures with this gorgeous backsplash, beautiful tile. On the main level, there's also a half bath with a washer and dryer, which is absolutely convenient. The television room is also adorned in beautiful mid-century modern decor, artwork, furnishings, beautiful rugs. This room has definitely been kept up and is not lacking any charm. On the upper level, you'll find 4 bedrooms. The master bedroom with a master bath, one guest bedroom that is adorned very simply with its decor style, an additional guest bedroom with 2 twin beds. If you ever have the little kiddos over to visit this home, they have their own charming, adorable space to sleep. The additional guest bedroom has beautiful linens and a beautiful headboard, and the hardwood floors again follow through the look of this beautiful home. So I hope you've enjoyed this tour. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't done so, subscribe to my channel. Check out my video description for links to all my social media sites, my Facebook, my Instagram, my Pinterest, my website. It's all in there. It's a one-stop shop. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll look for you the next time.